in order to pump energy into portions of the lower atmosphere, the ionosphere, in order to create localized mirrors and localized effects. And these mirrors quite literally are energy dense. They do not, energy will bounce off of them and go in an angle of incidence direction from that bounce. That's the reason for putting them there. They can literally lever them right onto the Van Allen belt now, and they can set up a harmonic so that what you have is a stored frequency that is being increased. And at the same time, you make a pair of mirrors that reflect both up and down. This becomes important down the road because it becomes something that you can also bounce other energies and other frequencies off of. And it has to do with how the frequencies are composed. And the word is going to escape me now, unfortunately, but the polarization and how they are polarized. And so what you have to have is you have to have some form of a radio transmitter. You have to have some form of an antenna. You can do this in bounces if you like. There are many ways of doing it. The object being, where do you target? What do you target? What was your intent? And they now have got the patents and the research behind them under their belt in order to know exactly how much of what has to be sent where at any given time in order to get a given effect. They have changed the entire frequency of the planet Earth. They've literally shifted the Van Allen belt and taken us from below 10 hertz, from 7.8 optimal. But below 10 hertz, we've been driven up into the 11 to 14 range now.
And that's called the Schumann resonance.
And this is not frequencies that we were actually meant to operate at. These are frequencies that are meant to put our systems into leverageable conditions, and the systems are leveraged. Our systems are leveraged in horrific ways now. The object being
so that's even more
our lifespan.
Yeah. So that's even more mind control and entrainment.
Even more mind control, and not only that. I would like to just read the summary of what Laurence has said. Basically, we have a scaled down electric grid, which has now been weaponized.